every year 100 million people die of cancer. And the experts had projected that by 2030, there would be cancer death rate rise to 13 million. So as a super specialist, Dr. Puneet Gupta, what are your strategies to combat or to fight this cancer?
You know, strategy should be very simple because we have to understand that their great science has gone into the detection. The very good news I want to give you is the cancer we can detect in pre-cancer stage, what we call as stage 0. But very important thing is we have, let's say, HPV cancer vaccination, where we can detect cancer cervix. That's the #1 cancer in India just at stage 0. That's a beautiful thing. And again, breast cancer, which is common in females, we can just detect at stage 0 using the preventive techniques. So cervix cancer and breast cancer, we can really detect very early using stage 0. So we have to request, you know, the population around that we have to be cooperating with some lifestyle changes, early health checkups, early detection. But I may tell you, it is not to detect the cancer. I want to say we have to detect pre-cancer, and pre-cancer is a thing which we can see under the microscope, detect it, and just not by simple health checkup. Or there are some many tests where we can really do the tissue testing. That is a very important, because the tissue testing, without tissue testing, you cannot detect pre-cancer. So there are simple tests available for cervix cancer, breast cancer, and for lung cancer screening, and then let's say other colon cancer, stomach cancer, and the screening can be done on a population based. So that's a very, very good news, which I say, that early detection and therapy of stage 0 cancer. That should be our motto actually in 2021.
And Dr. Puneet Gupta, I would just like to know something about tumor board. We have heard about it, but could you just elaborate on it? What is it and how does it work and what are its advantages?
Very important is a tumor board is something what I call that the team of experts, they get together and then they decide about the treatment, anti-cancer management. What we do, not one doctor. What mistake commonly is done, that only one doctor is treating and he cannot, you know, do justice. He's tired. He cannot read every subject. And so therefore we have a tumor board where there's a board of doctors and there's a radiation oncologist, medical oncologist, surgical oncologist, then there is a pathologist, then there is a radiologist. And then in between, if we have to do some change in therapy or one modality finishes, we have to do re-tumor board. So let's say in medicine, we have to decide we are going more away from chemotherapy. We are going more towards target drug delivery, tailored genetic testing, or we are having some, you know, nowadays radiation therapy protocol, newer radiation machines have come. Let's say proton beam therapy has come now into India, which was not there. It is available in Apollo Chennai. So there's only one center in the country. So these facilities now are available in the country. Linear accelerated technology is available. And so this is how we can do image guided radiation therapy. So tumor board, radiation therapy person will be there, medical oncology, cancer medicine guy will be there, surgical oncologist will be there, and how quickly we can take the biopsy, how quickly we can do the radical surgery if it is required, because some tumors, they do good with surgery, some do good with medicine, and some do good with radiation. So that's how a tumor board is very, very important.
Okay. It is indeed very traumatic for the patients, both physically and mentally. We all know that. So again, I would say, doctor, because you are a super specialist. So as a super specialist, what kind of support do you recommend to the patients and what should be given?
Very important is that you have raised an important point, because cancer, if we detect, it affects all dimensions of our living lifestyle. That is physical dimension, mental, social, economical, and spiritual dimension of our personality and persona. Family is also affected as a whole. That is very important. So what I have devised, as I have made what we call as a Gupta cognitive white light visualization technique, which is a cognitive mental health technique where we ask the cancer patient through psychologist to see, we train the psychologist first, and there we then tell to how to visualize that your whole body is made up of white light, and then this white light is going to give you auto suggestion and heal by auto suggestion. And this is done by trained through a app. I have made an app and it is available on Google Play. It is an Android app, and this we can teach step by step, and they can download the app, and the psychologist is there to train them. So this is how they can do self-learning or psychologist learning, and this is how we move forward in the mental health and help patient in you take the command. So patient take the command of self-healing, so they can heal their own self through biofeedback mechanism, cognitive mental exercise.
That's wonderful. It is also a holistic approach with science. So thank you so much, Dr. Puneet Gupta. It was wonderful having with us. And most importantly, that you have given us a very simple and easy tips to follow in a daily routine. And also that everything can be done holistically, side by side with science. Thank you once again, Dr. Puneet Gupta.